Hey there, my name is Quinn. I'm one of the customer success managers here at Billdr, and today we're going to take a close look at the budget table. This is the budget tab. In the expense analysis, what we can do is take a look at our budget. So in the cost budgeted area, this is where we see, okay, how much money did I plan on spending on this area of the project? Plus or minus any change orders is going to equal our revised budget. Now, when we create purchase orders from this element of the project, when subcontractors send us invoices and we record those, it's going to automatically show up here. When folks from the field upload expenses and categorize them for demolition, it'll show up here. And when folks are clocking in and out, and they categorize their time by what they're doing, the hours multiplied by their hourly cost is going to show up here, so that we're always going to have a detailed understanding of what our total cost is compared to the cost that we plan, so we can see if we are over or under budget. On the other side of the coin, this is where we can analyze our profit. So instead of just looking at the cost, we're going to look at the total income that we planned for demolition in the original quote that was signed. This plus or minus any change orders will equal our revised contract. And as we send out invoices, whether we're doing cost plus, just adding in our expenses that already have the cost codes, we'll be able to track which dollar amount went to each category. Or if we are invoicing directly from the contract, we're going to be able to pull your cost codes directly from the contract, and we'll know which dollars fall under which category. Here, we're going to be able to see our actual project, and using this information, we'll be able to look back and see, hey, were we a little too high? Were we a little too low? What can we do differently moving forward?